Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise App. You click on settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter. Then we go here to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we click on this sign of Play Store here as you see and you click. Then here you will search about the application of Wise. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.